So guys, good evening. Andito kami sa McDonald's na very popular. Tada! There at the back. Very popular siya guys kasi may sign. And we are waiting for our former workmate from overseas and we're gonna meet them here. She come to visit Philippines and she picked Bacolod. So, that's the deal. We'll just wait. Oh guys, oh, see? So many people passing this area.
We thought it was gonna rain.
And we thought it's gonna rain, but it didn't rain, which is really good. This is where we have photo taken there. Mega World. Ayan. Ganda guys, ano. Pag-take tayong picture. So, we visited this area if we want to like cool air at night time. And this is the area where we sit. You can park your car here, over there, and then you can sit on the side of the road. Or you can bring chairs, like portable chairs, folding chairs, and you can sit there. And yeah, so we'll just, this is full of people in some nights. We'll just wait for them. Uy. Big Mac. This is mine. Tada. And that is that. This is yours. No, this is mine. Here. Straw, yeah. Strawless. You like this?
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, see, then we can eat.
I thought it'd be quicker than. I thought it'd be quicker if they bring in a motorbike.
To the back, but I think they come through the front. Guys, let's eat. We are here in McDonald's Forbes in Bacolod City, Philippines.
Waiting for.
Philippines. Waiting for my workmate, Laila,
From Aussie.
from Australia and Malaysia, Canada. Kain yan. So guys, hello, good morning. So hindi ko na-close yung vlog na ginawa ko, yung lumabas kami ng workmate ko. So lumabas kami guys, nagtambay muna kami doon sa Forbes McDonald's, kumain kami. Tapos kuminsing kami sa bahay para daanan namin si neighbor kasi may trabaho siya. Tapos dinala niya kami sa NGC. Kasi medyo mahirap ang car park. So, nagdala lang kami ng isang sasakyan. Tapos, para madali. So, ayun. Pumunta kami sa parang restaurant na may mga music doon sa NGC. Tapos nag-enjoy naman guys yung mga bisita namin. Kumain kami, nag-inom sila. Tapos sumayaw kaunti, ganun. So natapos kami guys, mga 1 o'clock na kami dumating sa bahay. Kasi late na din kami umalis, mga 9:30 ng gabi, ganun. So nag-hangout muna kami doon sa McDonald's kasi maganda sa hapon, very cool and that. So anyway, there's a lot of people in Mascara Festival kasi part siya ang NGC ng Mascara Festival venue. Marami kasi guys yung inaano na venue para hindi mag-crowded yung mga tao. So ayan, pili ka lang kung saan ka pupunta. So maraming puntahan. So ayun, nag-ano muna kami doon nag-relax tapos yun na guys. And then the next episode namin, lumabas kami the following day. Nagplano kami na lalabas kami the following day. So susunod na lang yung video na yan pag nandyan siya guys. Pero hi dad, the food there. Pero that's how we end up. Tapos ang next video guys na dinala sila namin yun, masaya. Medyo masaya kami doon din, yun. Kaiba naman yun. So ito parang ano lang, outing lang na night time. Maganda dito lumabas sa gabi kasi hindi mainit. Tapos medyo relaxing siya. Okay naman guys, maraming security guard sa mga restaurant. Tapos alert din yung mga enforcer sa daan. So it's good naka-enjoy kasi uwi na siya guys. Pauwi na siya in 2 days, pauwi na siya. So and then anyway, tayo, and then yun lang. So i-close ko yung vlog na ito guys para sa inyo. Then hopefully na nag-enjoy kayo kahit kaunti lang siya guys. Kasi yun lang naman ang ginawa namin. Majority is talking, ganun. So ayan. So thank you so much guys for watching our channel. And I'm so tired of going out. And daddy there, we sleep all day. We sleep all day after the night out. It's fun, no? Yeah. At least we enjoyed a little bit. So we shall. Huh? Did ya?
Yeah.
Is that nice there and cool?
Sometimes windy, but
Oh, that's why I wet the floor, Daddy.
it's pretty warm up there now.
So the place cools down. Just use the hose and sweep the concrete. When you're there.
Steps are hot.
Hmm.
Move my feet.
Yeah, you don't. I always wear my slippers. So guys, yan lang muna. We shall see you guys in our next vlog. Bye. See you guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.